clean your kitchen. Like a pro, 10 genius tricks that actually work. A truly clean kitchen goes far beyond wiping counters and washing dishes. Professional cleaners know that a deep clean targets those forgotten spaces that harbor grease, bacteria, and grime, areas most people overlook. Today's video reveals 10 genius kitchen cleaning tricks that professional cleaners use but rarely share. These aren't just standard cleaning tips. These are game-changing techniques that deliver professional results with minimal effort. Whether preparing for guests, recovering from a cooking marathon, or simply maintaining a healthier home, these methods will transform how you clean your kitchen forever. The best part? All these techniques use simple, affordable products that work better than expensive specialty cleaners. No gimmicks, just proven methods that deliver remarkable results every time. Let's dive into these 10 professional kitchen cleaning secrets that actually work. Trick number 1, degrease cabinets with dish soap solution. Kitchen cabinets collect an invisible layer of grease that standard cleaning misses completely. This buildup attracts dust and can eventually damage finishes. Here's the professional solution. Mix 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap with 1 gallon of warm water. Dish soap is specifically designed to break down grease. It's what makes it so effective on pans. Using a soft microfiber cloth, gently wash cabinet exteriors with this solution, working from top to bottom. Follow with a clean, damp cloth to remove soap residue. For stubborn areas around handles or near the stove, apply the solution with a soft toothbrush using circular motions. This technique removes years of buildup without damaging finishes. Don't forget cabinet tops. These hidden areas often hold the most accumulated grease and dust. Professional cleaners always start at the highest point and work downward. Trick number 2, descale faucets with vinegar bags. Limescale buildup on faucets is not just unsightly, it harbors bacteria and eventually damages fixtures. Professional cleaners use this simple technique that requires almost no scrubbing. Fill a small plastic bag halfway with white vinegar, secure it around your faucet with a rubber band, ensuring the affected areas are submerged. Let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes. The acetic acid in vinegar dissolves mineral deposits naturally. Once removed, rinse thoroughly and buff with a dry microfiber cloth for a brilliant shine. For faucet aerators, the mesh screen at the tip, unscrew and soak in a small cup of vinegar for 30 minutes, then rinse. This also improves water flow and pressure. This method works on all metal finishes including stainless steel, chrome, and brushed nickel without scratching or damaging surfaces. Trick number 3, rejuvenate cutting boards with salt and lemon. Wooden and plastic cutting boards harbor bacteria in their knife marks and stains. Professional kitchens use this natural method to sanitize and remove odors. Sprinkle coarse salt generously across the board's surface. Cut a lemon in half and use it to scrub the salt into the board, squeezing slightly to release juice as you go. The abrasive salt combined with acidic lemon juice lifts stains while killing bacteria. The lemon oil conditions wood fibers and neutralizes odors from foods like garlic and onions. Let the mixture sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly and air dry completely. This technique is food safe yet more effective than chemical cleaners. For deeper stains, repeat the process or leave the salt-lemon paste overnight before rinsing. This method extends the life of cutting boards by months or even years. Trick number 4, deep clean microwave with steam power. Baked-on food in microwaves is notoriously difficult to remove. Professional cleaners never scrub. They let steam do the work. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with equal parts water and white vinegar. Add a wooden toothpick to prevent superheating. Microwave on high for 5 minutes, then let sit with the door closed for an additional 5 minutes. The acidic steam loosens even the most stubborn splatters. Simply wipe with a damp cloth. No scrubbing needed. The vinegar also eliminates odors that linger in microwaves. For stubborn spots, dip your cloth in the hot vinegar solution before wiping. The heat activates the cleaning power without additional chemicals. Remove and clean the turntable separately using the same solution. Don't forget to wipe the door seal where food particles often hide. Trick number 5, rescue baking sheets with baking soda paste. Those brown, seemingly permanent stains on baking sheets aren't just unsightly. They can affect food flavor. Professional kitchens use this method to restore sheets to like-new condition. Create a paste using equal parts baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Spread over the entire sheet and let sit for at least 2 hours or overnight for severe staining. The alkaline baking soda, combined with the oxidizing properties of hydrogen peroxide, breaks down carbonized grease that regular washing can't touch. After waiting, wipe clean and wash normally. For stubborn spots, gently scrub with a non-scratch sponge before rinsing. This method works on both aluminum and stainless steel baking sheets without scratching. It also removes stains from muffin tins and metal spatulas. Trick number 6, clean range hood filters in dishwasher. Range hood filters collect grease that eventually reduces effectiveness and creates a fire hazard. Most people avoid cleaning them because of the mess, but professionals know this simple solution. Remove the metal mesh filters from your range hood. Place them in your dishwasher with regular dishes, using the heaviest wash cycle and hottest water setting. Add a cup of white vinegar to the bottom of your dishwasher before starting for extra degreasing power. The high temperature and detergent combination dissolves years of accumulated grease. For extremely dirty filters, pre-soak in a sink with hot water, dish soap, and 1/4 cup of baking soda for 30 minutes before the dishwasher. Remember to clean the inside of the range hood while the filters are removed. Most can be wiped with the same dish soap solution used for cabinets. Trick number 7, sanitize garbage disposal with ice cubes. Garbage disposals harbor bacteria and food particles that cause unpleasant odors. Professional cleaners use this method that cleans, sharpens, and deodorizes simultaneously. Fill an ice cube tray with equal parts water and white vinegar. Freeze until solid. Run your disposal with cold water, then add the vinegar ice cubes while it's running. The ice physically scrapes the disposal blades and interior walls while the vinegar disinfects. The cold temperature helps solidify any grease so it can be chopped and flushed away. For extra deodorizing power, add lemon peels to the disposal after the ice treatment. The citrus oils leave a clean, fresh scent. Repeat this treatment monthly to prevent buildup and extend the life of your disposal. Trick number 8, restore stainless steel with olive oil. Stainless steel appliances show every fingerprint and watermark. Professional cleaners know that the secret to streak-free shine isn't expensive cleaners. It's already in your pantry. First, clean with a microfiber cloth dampened with diluted white vinegar, wiping in the direction of the grain. This removes all grease, fingerprints, and residue. Once dry, apply a tiny amount of olive oil to a clean cloth and polish in the same direction as the grain. The thin layer of oil fills in the microscopic grooves in the steel, creating a protective barrier that resists new fingerprints. Use sparingly. A few drops of oil is enough for an entire refrigerator door. Too much will leave a greasy residue. This method works on all stainless steel surfaces, including refrigerators, dishwashers, and range hoods. The results last longer than commercial polishes at a fraction of the cost. Trick number 9, revive grout with hydrogen peroxide paste. Discolored grout lines make even the cleanest kitchen look dingy. Professional cleaners avoid harsh chemicals that damage grout and use this gentle yet effective method instead. Create a paste using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Apply to grout lines with an old toothbrush or grout brush, working in small sections. Let sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then scrub gently in a circular motion. Rinse thoroughly with clean water or wipe with a damp cloth. For heavily stained areas, cover the paste with plastic wrap after application to prevent drying out, and let sit for up to an hour before scrubbing. This method whitens without bleach and kills mold and mildew without harsh fumes. For maintenance, spray clean grout with hydrogen peroxide weekly to prevent new stains from setting. Trick number 10, deep clean refrigerator coils. The hidden coils behind or beneath your refrigerator collect dust that forces the appliance to work harder, wastes energy, and shortens its lifespan. Professional appliance technicians always include this in their maintenance. Unplug your refrigerator for safety. Locate the coils, typically on the back or beneath the front behind a removable grill. Using a refrigerator coil brush or vacuum attachment, gently remove all dust and pet hair. For tight spaces, use a can of compressed air to dislodge dust. Check the drip pan while you're there and empty clean if needed. This often forgotten area can develop mold and odors. This 10-minute maintenance saves up to 25% on refrigerator energy costs and prevents expensive repairs. Repeat every 3 to 6 months, more frequently in homes with pets. Bonus tip, professional cleaning schedule. The final secret of professional cleaners isn't a technique, it's consistency. Maintaining a regular schedule prevents deep grime from forming and makes each cleaning faster. Divide kitchen cleaning tasks into daily, weekly, and monthly categories. Daily, wipe counters, clean sink, sweep floors. Weekly, mop floors, clean stovetop, wipe appliance exteriors. Monthly, deep clean oven, refrigerator interior, cabinet exteriors. Create a simple cleaning calendar and stick to it. Just 15 minutes of daily maintenance prevents hours of deep cleaning later. Professional cleaners always work top to bottom and dry to wet, cleaning higher surfaces first and saving wet tasks like mopping for last. These 10 professional cleaning tricks transform kitchen maintenance from a dreaded chore to an efficient routine with professional results. The best part about these methods is that they use simple, affordable products that work better than expensive specialty cleaners. They're also safer for your home and family. Implementing even a few of these techniques will dramatically improve your kitchen's cleanliness and appearance. Start with the areas that bother you most, then gradually adopt more of these professional methods. A truly clean kitchen isn't just about appearances, it's about creating a healthier environment for food preparation and family gatherings. Which of these cleaning tricks will you try first? Share your before and after results in the comments. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical household guides that make everyday tasks easier and more effective. Thanks for watching.